Hi, Karma Guy here. Check out the 2017 Chevrolet Equinox LT Sport Utility, a standout SUV with a clean Carfax and only 39,000 miles. This Equinox boasts a dealer service history, is up to date on GA emissions, and is dealer certified pre-owned, including a 3-month, 3,000-mile quality plus warranty. At the time of sale, you can add a discounted 5-year maintenance plan or upgrade to a lifetime warranty for extra peace of mind. We've also done a recent computer scan, all 7 monitors completed, with no trouble codes or dash warnings. This SUV has a clean bill of health and passed all emission diagnostics. We're committed to transparency, so always request a computer scan before buying, and we've got you covered. Remember, any discounts void the CPO status and warranty, but upgrades are available at a discounted rate at purchase.